Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's often overlooked but incredibly important: nighttime drinks that can help cleanse and support your liver. Our liver works tirelessly to detoxify our bodies, especially during the night when it's in repair mode. So, let's explore the 7 best nighttime drinks to give your liver some well-deserved love. 1. Warm lemon water. Starting our list with a classic, warm lemon water. Sipping on a cup of warm water with freshly squeezed lemon before bedtime helps kickstart your liver's detoxification process. The citric acid in lemons aids digestion and stimulates the liver to flush out toxins. 2. Turmeric golden milk. This warm, spiced beverage contains turmeric, a powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. Turmeric supports liver function and helps reduce inflammation, promoting a healthier liver. Mix it with your favorite plant-based milk, add a dash of cinnamon, and enjoy this golden elixir. 3. Dandelion root tea. Dandelion root tea is a fantastic liver tonic. It stimulates the liver and promotes the production of bile, aiding in the digestion of fats. Sipping on a cup of dandelion root tea before bedtime can support your liver's natural detoxification process. 4. Peppermint tea. Not just a refreshing flavor, peppermint tea also has liver-friendly properties. It helps relax the muscles of the gastrointestinal tract, promoting smoother digestion. A calm digestive system is essential for a happy liver. Enjoy a soothing cup of peppermint tea to unwind and support your liver's nighttime work. 5. Ginger infusion. Ginger is a versatile root known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Create a ginger infusion by steeping fresh ginger slices in hot water. This spicy elixir can help improve liver function, aiding in the elimination of toxins. Sip on this warm concoction before bedtime for a healthy liver boost. 6. Green tea. Green tea is loaded with catechins, powerful antioxidants that support liver function. The caffeine content in green tea is lower than coffee, making it a great choice for the evening. The antioxidants in green tea help protect the liver cells and promote overall liver health. 7. Chamomile tea. Last but not least, we have chamomile tea. Known for its calming properties, chamomile tea can help reduce stress and promote better sleep. A relaxed body and mind contribute to a healthier liver. Enjoy a cup of chamomile tea as part of your bedtime routine to unwind and support your liver's nighttime cleansing process. And there you have it, the 7 best nighttime drinks to cleanse and support your liver. Remember, incorporating these beverages into your routine is just one part of maintaining a healthy lifestyle. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more health tips. Until next time, take care of your liver and sleep well. Sweet dreams.